Today I am talking to a certain set of people. Now, who are these people, you may ask? These are the people who are prone to overthinking. When I say overthinking, every situation we can think of it, we can catastrophize it in our head, and we are always kind of expecting the worst outcomes out of every situation that happens. Children have gone out for a walk. Oh my god, what if they get kidnapped? What if they fall down? What if they injure themselves? Does this sound familiar? Or you're at work, you're going to a meeting. What if they ask me something that I'm not aware of? What if I skipped? What if I have skipped something very important in this project? Am I missing something? I should have put that slide on. Does this sound familiar? Well, I have spent 20 years in corporate, and there have been millions of meetings where I have just killed myself before the meeting, overthinking and just realizing that I should have kind of done more, or my effort is not enough, or I should have prepared better. Next time I'm going to be better prepared. All this is the outcome of overthinking. So when we do this to ourselves, what we're doing is we're just raising the tension levels in our body. Because face facts, what's going to happen is going to happen. Even though you're best prepared for a presentation, there could be questions which you're not able to answer. The smart way to deal with it is to say, I'm going to come back to you. Okay, this is something we're working on. We'll come back to you. We'll get back to you on that. But even though we know the escape routes, our mind doesn't give us any respite. There is a way we can escape this, this cycle. And I discovered it while I was working. Then I later thought that this is such an effective way that I need to embrace it a little more in my life for me to live a happier life, a stress-free life, and probably utilize that part of my brain which is occupied by overthinking, anxiety, and stress all the time. So what did I choose? I found EFT, which is Emotional Freedom Technique. It's a very simple technique. The best part of it I like is it's a 3-minute remedy. You just need to tap upon your meridian points for a couple of minutes, and that's it. You're sorted. These meridian points will actually activate your mind, your subconscious in such a way that these things that you are so afraid of will just disappear. You don't believe me? Try it out for yourself. You need an increase in the energy levels where overthinking has got you killed. Just tap and see how you are able to overcome these kind of shortcomings. So today, I will do a very quick step of tapping on overthinking, and you can use this script or you can use any script. The best part of it is you can narrate a story of your problem and just tap on the points that I will show you today, and you can face freedom from whatever has been bugging your mind, whatever has been nagging you, whatever has been occupying those productive area of your brain, so that now your brain, your mind becomes free to think, to work better, to give you enhanced performance and better productivity. Alright, so let's start. Very clearly, there are a couple of points you need to tap. So when you are starting the EFT session, you need to do setup statement by tapping at the karate chop point. This is the karate chop point, and you need to say or narrate the setup statement thrice. So for overthinking, we'll say something very simple as, even though I am prone to overthinking in all situations, I still choose to love and accept myself. Even though I always overthink and I bring myself to nasty conclusions, I still love and accept myself. Even though I overthink and situation is rarely that glum, I choose to love and accept myself. So once you say this thrice, your setup statement is done. Alright? Next, we need to start tapping. First, very simply, we will see the negative things that we do about overthinking. Then slowly we shift our tonality into the neutral points. And lastly, we go into the positives of what would our life be without overthinking. So, to start, this overthinking of mine, it really affects me. I am exhausted all the time because I am overthinking each and every situation that happens in my life. I am overthinking that I am not being able to do things that are expected of me. I am falling short of people's expectations. I am not coming through as promised to my family. I am not coming through as promised to the society. And I am not coming through as promised to my partner, my spouse. Why do I have this feeling? This feeling is so limiting. It stresses me out so much. And I just keep thinking. It makes me lose sleep. It makes me lose peace. Sometimes I don't feel like eating when I am in the bout of overthinking and I just can't come out of the loop. I really hate this overthinking. I do not want to do this anymore. I really want to move from a situation where I am making myself the victim or my family the victim of very, very bad circumstances. Why should anything bad happen to me? How many times have something bad happened to me? Don't I believe and trust in my God? Don't I have faith in the capabilities of myself and my near and dear and loved ones? Aren't we capable of handling ourselves? Haven't we taught this to ourselves? So from today, I decide to give up overthinking. I decide to stop torturing my mind in this manner. And I decide to stop letting my mind torture my rest of my body in this manner. I will not overthink. I will live every situation in the present. I will let it be. I will have trust and faith in my Almighty and my universe. I have faith that everything is going to turn out for the better, that everything is going to be positive, that only good things will come. And I'm sure with the power of manifestation, I am going to be able to dream up a life which I have always wanted. One without worry. Take a deep breath and stop. Do this and let me know how you feel. All the best.